Point this at a system you're allowed to test, hand it a goal, and a whole team of AI agents runs the pen test for you. The recon, the exploit, and the write-up. PentAGI is open source, and you run it yourself and give it a target and an objective, and a team of specialist agents plans the test, runs it, and writes up what they find. It's built for security pros doing authorized work, and it's honest about the edges. This is an autonomous, assistant-guided platform, not a canned breach simulation product. Automating a pen test sounds risky, so here's why it's safe to run. Every operation happens inside isolated Docker containers. You self-host the whole thing, so your targets and your data never leave your own infrastructure. And you bring your own model, any provider, or a local one that never phones home. Here's the clever part. It isn't one giant agent, it's a team. An orchestrator runs the show, a researcher studies the target and hunts known weaknesses. A developer plans the attack, and an executor runs it. Every one of them checks a shared memory of what's worked before. So what stops a loop of agents from going off the rails? A supervision layer. A mentor spots repeated or runaway tool calls and steps in with a new plan. A planner breaks each job into 3 to 7 concrete steps first. And every agent has a hard cap on its tool calls. The project reports that roughly doubles quality on smaller local models, add more tokens and time. Both pieces are still beta, and runs aren't amnesiac. PentAGI keeps 3 kinds of memory: long-term for past findings and tool habits, working memory for the current goal, and episodic memory of what actually succeeded last time. So the next run starts from what already worked. It comes with the toolbox built in. Over 20 professional security tools, things like Mmap, Metasploit, and SQLmap, pick automatically per task from a Kali Linux base, and it runs on 10 plus model providers: OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, or Ollama for something fully local. You pick the tool's power and the model's cost. Getting it as a Docker Compose up, Go backend, React frontend, C self-hosted, MIT licensed, latest release 2.10, and what you get back is a real report. The vulnerabilities it found with exploitation guides ready to export as Markdown or PDF. So that's PentAGI, an authorized pen test run by a supervised team of agents you host yourself. You just bring the model. If you work in security, it's worth a look. The link's on screen, and there's a new repo tomorrow.